'Cause nobody does it like you. I like the way that you move. That's why I never go through with leaving you. Everybody's
Hi guys. So it is currently 6:18 in the morning and we just finished eating breakfast. So after surviving the fucking jeepney ride,
Parang pwede ba magpaiwan na lang?
wala bang zipline dito, kuya?
Zipline? Meron ma'am, kaso sa leeg ilalagay yung tali.
Yan ang gusto ko.
Yun ang gusto ko.
Ay,
We're walking to the falls. So, yeah. Wow! Nakabili na kami ng necklace.
ano ba yun?
Here. Shell siya. Show your necklace. Ayan
Show your
siya.
necklace.
Tapos ganyan din. That's how it looks like. So, ito siya guys. Video here! So, bababa pa kami. Nagiginig ko na yung falls. It's so lamig. It's so lamig. But anyway, we're walking. We're still walking. So hi guys, tapos na kami. Ito yung falls. Pwede namin. Shit! Malalim yung falls guys.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Hey,
Oo po.
are you happy? What can you say?
Nakapagod. Hindi siya
About you?
nakakaganda.
Mga hingal. So this is our current situation.
Gana ka pang mag-vlog.
So guys, we're now here in the watchtower with a view. See.
Ma'am, picture po kayo, Marla.
Hindi po. We're on the way. I don't know where. We're here now guys. Bahay na bato. So,
Wala pang hilod eh.
grabe. Ganyan siya. Secret garden. Do you know that we only have 20 minutes? Dahil we're always late sa aming destination at sa call time. So, we are only given 20 minutes to explore this place. And this is what I'm walking right now. You can get ligaw. So, say hi guys! Yeah, reach your destination. Bahay na ba to? we're done at Bainabato. Oh my gosh, copyright tayo.
Uy, magpinangkot yung...
Kapre to. Balik blue. We're ready to go party with our 150 left. There's only one tourist spot left, which is man-made forest. Man-made forest. Ganyan siya. Ayan. Kailangan mabilis lang kasi mga dumadahaman. Guys, ito na yung room namin. So, actually, para kami naka-solo room. Yan, meron kami fan.
Malapit lang pala.
Tapos, say hi. Say hi. Tapos, ayun.
Malapit lang pala.
Yan. Tapos, dito and dito. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami nakapwesto, pero there's an AC din. Here's the view. Yan. Hi guys, we're walking to the beach. Papasok pa pala sa beach. So, and yun, lalakad na kami ngayon. It's currently 6:02 in the evening.
Bayad na.
Nagwi-withdraw lang yung friend namin. Because we're out of cash. We're running out of cash. So, OOTD. There's the beach, guys. Hihihi. After quite some time, we're now here at the beach. Ganito yung what's happening around us. But we don't know which bar this one is. So yeah, ang ganda yan siya. Yan, up the way there. Tapos ang lakas ng waves. Mga friends. This is very impromptu decision. We're gonna have a henna tattoo.
Tattoo na talaga ito.
This is a...
Mambabato! Kuya, mambabato!
Alay namin ng 500 sa Manta para lang sa tattoo. Pero wala pa kami kain.
May sardina!
Tattoo ka. Say hi. Say hi to your mom. Hey guys, right now we're off to San Juan Beach kasi yung hostel namin is, di ba hindi nyo ako nakikita, yung hostel namin is medyo malayo sa San Juan Beach. I think 15 minutes drive, mga ganon. So yeah,
Dito pa nasusubukan.
ganun pa kadilim. This is how we look like. Yan, change outfit ang mga bading.
Di binalitan na.
Yan, ganito yung nilalakar namin today. So, so dark. Any fine, any tall, any handsome. Check. Ganyan kadilim ang aming dadaanan!
May narilibos ako po yung barangay.
Okay guys, nandito na kami.
Bagong taong Pasko.
Say hi.
Sabi niya, uuwi siya. Kasi magbabagong taong Pasko.
Ipakita mo kung sino ka.
Ng bagong taon. Ganda-ganda. Sorry naman.
Doon banda, doon, yung sa may ilaw, doon banda yung, yung crowd. So, dito, solo namin siya, as in. Ayan siya. Tapos, we're waiting for sunrise. The fit! Tapos, andun sila. Update, 6:51 in the morning. And yeah, ayun na yung haring araw. And here's what it looks like. Sis, eto, ayan, ayun yung ganap nila today. Pipictorial lang sila. Meron mga tao, pero bihira lang. So we're going back to Flotsam. Yeah.
Hindi ko na alam kung natin.
Guys, we got the goods. We have to try a lot and sorry guys, dito na ako ngayon. It's like with the big
With my ancestor.
Pupunta tayo dyan. Tapos pwede ko umakyat here. So, let's go. Dito na naman kami pupunta. This is how it looks like.
The bell ring and a ring bar.
Sa inside niya, pwede kang mag-pray.
Okay. Ano ba naman yung inakyat natin yung ano ba eh? Kasi suko.
We're always down for adventure.
Nice!
So, yan. This is how it looks like. We're eating. Nandito na kami ngayon sa MOA. Hihintay kami ng mga sundo kasi pauwi na kami.
Hintay sa'yo.